Hello guys, this is Bharat and I welcome you all to the channel. Today we are going to start a new playlist of C programming language and today it is our first lecture. So in this lecture we will learn about what is a programming language and we will learn the difference between high level and low level language. Then we are going to learn about compilers and interpreters in programming languages. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, let's learn what is a programming language. A programming language is a notation for writing programs for softwares or applications. Programming language is basically a way for writing programs for applications or softwares. A programming language defines a set of instructions that are compiled together to perform a specific task by the CPU, that is the central processing unit of our computer. Programming language defines some sets of instructions. That means many instructions are written in a programming language that are compiled together, or we can say that are run together to perform some tasks by the CPU. Programming language mainly refers to high-level languages. If we talk about high-level languages, we mean about a programming language. And a programming language is always refers to the high-level language. Now, you'll ask me what is a high-level language or what is a low-level language. So a high-level language is a language that is easily understandable or interpreted by the programmers. Or we can say a high-level language is some language that is very difficult for the compiler or interpreter or we can say machine to be understood. So as you know, a machine only understands binary language, that is a language of zeros and ones. So this binary language is a low-level language for the machine and the high-level language for machine is the programming language that we used to write in this language. Each programming language contains a set of unique keywords and syntaxes, which are used to create a set of instructions. So in a programming language, we have set of instructions, and each instruction is generated from unique set of keywords or syntaxes. Now there can be two categories. First is low-level language and the high-level language. Humans or programmers can easily understand the high-level language in comparison of machines. High-level language is the language written in our own English language. On the other hand, machine can easily understand the low-level language in comparison of human beings. So machine understands the low-level language, that is binary language, and programmers or humans understand high-level language, that is English language. Now let's see some difference between high-level and low-level languages. First is high-level language is a programmer-friendly language, and the low-level language is machine-friendly language. As low-level language is easily understandable by machine, it is friendly language to the machine, and we can easily understand the English language. So English is the friendly language of the programmer. High-level language is less memory efficient. It, as we write more characters or more words in English language, it takes more memory. That's why a high-level language is less memory efficient. And low-level language is high memory efficient because to write to write a number, or we can say to write a name, it only takes 3 to 4 bytes to write a name. So that is very low. That takes very low memory. So it can high memory efficient. High level language is easy to understand, and low level language is tough to understand for us. As in low level languages, we only write zeros and ones combination. So if I write 1001, you will not understand the meaning of that. And if I write 1 in place of 0, it becomes 1101. So the meaning of that will be changed. High level languages are simple to debug, and low level languages are complex to debug comparatively. High level languages are very simple to maintain also, and low level languages are complex to maintain. High level language is a portable and low level language is not portable. Portable means we can transfer it from one to another, or that a language written by someone is understood by someone else. High level language can run on any platform and low level languages are machine dependent. That means we have to write different code for each and every machine. It needs compiler or interpreter for translation. So a high-level language needs a compiler or translator for translation. Or we can say the interpreter is there for the translation. Low-level languages need assembler for translation. High-level languages are used widely for programming, and low-level languages are not commonly used nowadays in programming. In earlier days, in earlier 90s, the low-level languages was used, but now they are not used. Now let's come to the difference between a compiler and interpreter. Let's see what a compiler do and what an interpreter do. So the compiler is a program that translates the source code from high-level language to a low-level language. So the compiler is just a software that we have in computer or mobile, and the work of the compiler is to translate the source code that we have written in high-level language to a low-level language, that is machine language. Now why it converts to low-level language? It converts it to create to create executable program. It translates the whole source code in a single run. That means compiler translates high-level language to a low-level language in single run. That means in a single time. It, it converts all the source code at once, or we can say all together. A compiler is a program that translates a source code written in some high-level programming language into machine code, that is the binary code. An interpreter reads an executable source program written in high-level language. So the use of interpreter is same as the compiler. It also executes the source code written in a high-level language to a low-level language. But the difference between a compiler and an interpreter is compiler converts the source code in a single time, but the translator, but the interpreter converts the source code into binary line by line. That means if I write a code of 10 lines, the compiler converts the whole 10 lines in a single run. The interpreter will convert all the 10 lines into binary code line by line. First it converts the first line. If it do not give some error, then it will go to the next line, then it will convert the second line, then it will go to the third line, and so on. It will not convert the code into single run. That is the main difference between compiler and the interpreter. Some programming languages are using compilers like C or C++, and some of them are also using interpreters like Python, Ruby, Perl, PHP, all use interpreter. Now, as an exception, or we can say as the advancement of technology, Java is a programming language that uses both compiler and interpreter. So guys, this is all for today. Today we have learned about what is a programming language. We have seen two types of languages. Then we have discussed the difference between a high-level language and a low-level language. Then at last, we have learned about compilers and interpreters in a programming language. Now in our next session, we will learn about introduction to C language, and then we will start our programming in C. So guys, thank you for your patience and stay tuned for latest updates and videos. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.